Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing. I got a portable charger, bought it off Amazon, and the name is not really on here, but I will let you know what brand it is. Some unknown brand, how they usually do their thing. Bust it open. Bust that open. It said meuci, tire inflator portable air. So it's meuci or meuci, meuci, meuci. That's the name of it. meuci, tire inflator portable air. So all black. You know, if you got some good nails, you know, just tear it open, rip it open. Yeah, just like so. No big of a deal. Show you a little thing on the box. On the side of the box is also show you like the power buttons and stuff, and the how to connect everything basically. Not bad. I like that. The box is really, they really put the artwork on the box really good. Bring this down a little bit. So have the manual, you know, got to keep that until you learn everything. And this feel like the cord and the port for the and the different parts as well. Alright guys, so this is it right here. So this is the power button. Usually they have some life in them. I don't know how come this one don't have no life. That sucks. Yeah, usually they have some life. I guess I'm gonna need to charge it and see. If it's portable, it should have some type of life in it. But this is what it looks like. In this other part right here is where all the parts that connect to it, like right here, this piece right here, and it comes with a ball, the needle for like the ball, and all the different tubes, special part. This looks like a fuse, so I don't know if the fuse go bad on it or whatever, but that's surprising. This is the charger. Put it in your cigarette lighter, and I'm just probably goes down here. Go at the bottom, you plug it in, and this is where you screw it on to. Not bad. As I was saying, it got cut off. As I was saying, it don't have no power, and it have a fuse, as I was mentioning earlier. I have like a little fuse, you know. I'm gonna show you guys it. That it comes in. This is like a fuse, right? Yeah, like a little fuse. Came in this little pouch with all the different pieces. I don't know. I know this one goes for like one of those basketball, the needle. They'll go into the basketball to blow it up. I don't know if this one is for like the bicycle, or you could use it just like the one in the car. Not too sure. But I don't know. You got these other pieces. I don't know where it goes, but I know it's portable, so as I said, I'm surprised they don't have no power, so I could turn it on to show you guys, but I am going to show you. I'm going to try to plug it into the cigarette lighter. Plug it in the cigarette lighter and see what happens. See how it's going to turn on. See how it's going to look. Alright, it says 0. So it do work. Show me the PSI. It give you the menu for, okay, the PSI one, that's for the car. You see right there, PSI, and show a car on the top. Every time when I press R, this one is like a moped. Press R again, this look like a bicycle. And then I press it again and it changed to a ball, like a basketball. You guys can see it. Yeah, so the sun is the light, which is right here. This right here that look like a sun, that's for the light. You press it once, it be solid, and then it flash and it turn off. So I guess I'm gonna have to hold it down to turn it off. Yep. So you hold it down and it'll turn off. The up and down is for how much PSI you want to set. So how much air you want to put in. You go up, you know, go down, whatever, and you set it to whichever. You know, my car tires is like 32. So I set it at 32, and then you press the power button for the air to extract from the pump. But that's about it. I might do like a review on how it works and see. But this conclude the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. It's very light as well. It's not heavy. It's not bulky like my other one. The normal one. It's not bulky and crazy. But the wires look like it's long enough that it could go to all 4 tires. Excuse me. Yeah. It looked like it it's very lightweight, and hopefully get the job done. I don't know how fast how much minutes it'll take to actually blow a car tire up, but this is just the unboxing. This is what I want to share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. I like the way how the packaging look. Like it literally tells you. It said start the car. It gives you the instructions basically on the box, and that's nice. But I still don't understand the portable part. I don't understand the portable part, because it said portable inflater, but there's no power. When I plug it out, I don't have no power. So I don't know if they're lying or what, but hey, I have the cord. If I ever get a flat, I'll test it out. I'll try it out to see. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it said portable, because if it's portable, you should be able to charge it. You're supposed to be able to charge it in, because I don't know if it comes with a battery. Does it? Or you know what? I might have to just read the manual and see what's up. But I'm gonna cut it right here, and any updates, I'll probably do another video updating to see what I learned about it. Because I don't understand. I really don't understand at all. That's the ear holes, the mode, pressure display, pressure unit, display, power 70 watts, product size 68. Yeah, I don't know. I don't get it, guys. I don't know why they say portable, because I have to literally plug it in. I don't see nothing is charging or whatnot. So yeah, once I plug it out, no power. So I don't know why they say it's portable. It's not portable, guys. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please like, subscribe. Peace, bye bye, take care, and I'm out.